Hello everyone, I'm home.
1 second. Wait, Dad, I'm watching something. I'm busy right now.
How was everyone's day?
Fine. Good. Can I play my game now?
Really? No one wants to talk? Is there any dinner left?
Maybe check the fridge.
I worked all day.
Dad, can you recharge my game account? Dad, I need money for shopping. I need money for a new game. We also need groceries.
Does anyone need me or just my money? Maybe they're planning a surprise. They haven't called yet. Maybe they're busy. I'll wait a little longer. You look worried today. Just tired. Your family doesn't appreciate you. Maybe you're right. Let's eat together.
I'm watching something. Maybe later. I'm not hungry.
Remember this family trip?
Not really. Can I go now? Maybe another time.
Nobody listens anymore. Nobody notices me. Maybe they don't need me. Maybe they only need my money. Sarah, can we talk?
I'll call later.
Emma?
I'm busy, Dad. Did Dad leave early today? Probably. He's always working. Yeah, probably. Mom, where's my lunch money? Ask your dad later. I need money too. We'll ask him tonight. Dad still isn't home? He's probably busy. Can someone send me money? Let's call Dad. Why isn't he answering? Try again. Something feels wrong. Maybe his battery died. Something feels wrong. We're looking for Michael. He hasn't been here for 2 days. What? That's impossible. This was his last call. Who did he call? Your family number. Our number? We never answered. There's a letter. From Dad? Read it. I don't know if I can.
I tried to talk. Nobody listened. Maybe you're happier without me. Take care of yourselves.
We never listened to him. We only asked for money. I should have been there. What have we done?
Please, just 1 minute. I need to talk. Don't shut me out.
We have to find him. Dad, please come home. We're sorry. Where are you? Please help us find him. Dad, where are you? We miss you. Please come home.
Your father was very lonely.
What do you mean?
He talked about being ignored.
Ignored by us? This is the last time we saw him. He was carrying a bag. He planned to leave. We never noticed. This is the last time we saw him. He was carrying a bag. He planned to leave. We never noticed. He used to come here.
All by himself? We never came with him.
We should have.
Oh no!
That was his birthday.
We forgot. We all forgot.
This is the last time we saw him. He was carrying a bag.
He planned to leave. We never noticed.
Maybe they're busy. They'll come soon. I'll wait a little longer. Maybe they forgot.
It's from Dad.
I just wanted to talk. I miss spending time together. Call me when you're free. Love you all. Hey, it's Dad. I love you all. I'm sorry.
We failed him.
I'm so sorry, Dad. Please come back.
We found a clue. Where?
A man matching his description.
Dad? They think they saw him in another town. I saw him! Dad! Where did he go? He's gone! Dad!
Sorry, I'm not who you're looking for.
No.
Let's keep searching.
He left these behind.
He kept our photos.
He carried them every day. Even when we ignored him.
He wrote something.
What does it say?
I miss talking to my family.
Dad.
Best movie night ever.
This is so funny. Can we watch another?
Of course.
What happened to us?
We stopped spending time together. We stopped listening.
And Dad suffered alone.
This was recorded yesterday.
That's him. Where was this?
We're investigating.
What if he's here?
Please let it be Dad. Stay close. I'm scared.
Yes, he was here.
Where did he go?
I don't know.
We missed him again.
He seemed lonely.
Did he say anything?
He said family is everything. Dad.
Hello?
Sarah!
Michael!
Call disconnected.
Nobody needs me anymore. They only need my money. Maybe it's better if I leave. I can't stay there. Maybe I can stay here. At least someone will talk to me. I won't be a burden. This is my new life. Catch him! Leave me alone! Stop running! Help! Look at that old man. He looks rich. Follow him. Why are they staring at me? I have to hide. They can't find me here. Where did he go? Search the forest. What was that? I'm not alone here. Please let me survive this. Please. Easy. Don't hurt me. I'm not your enemy. Please go away. Keep moving. Don't stop. Almost there. I can do this. A house? Someone lives here. Maybe they can help me. Thank goodness.
Who are you?
My name is Michael.
Why are you here?
I need help.
You look exhausted.
Thank you.
You can stay tonight.
You're very kind.
I brought you some food and water.
Thank you so much. Do you live here alone?
Yes,
Where is your family?
I don't have one. My father passed away years ago. I miss him every day. He was my best friend. I still wait for him. He always listened to me. He never ignored me. He loved spending time with me. I miss those days.
Your father was lucky
Why?
because you loved him. My family forgot me. Nobody listened to me. Nobody cared. I felt invisible. So I left.
I'm sorry. You deserved better.
Thank you.
You're not alone now. You don't have to leave.
Really?
You can stay here.
Thank you. I think I'll stay.
I'm happy.
This feels peaceful.
Like family.
We'll find him.
We have to. Dad, please come home. Please? You should go home.
Why?
Your children still need you.
I'm not sure anymore.
Children make mistakes. Sometimes they don't understand, but they will one day.
Maybe you're right. They were so small. They always wanted my attention. When did everything change?
It can change again. If my father were alive, I would never let him leave. Your children still have that chance.
You're right.
Really?
I should go home.
They'll be happy.
But I'm not leaving you here.
What?
Come with me.
Are you serious? I've never had a family before.
You do now.
Thank you.
Let's go home. They searched for me.
They never gave up.
Maybe they really care.
Of course they do. Go on.
What if nothing changed?
You'll never know.
Okay.
Michael?
Sarah,
You're alive!
I'm home.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
No, it isn't.
Let's talk.
Dad, I'm sorry.
It's all right.
I ignored you.
I know. I felt invisible.
We understand now.
I just wanted respect.
We'll give it.
This is Lily.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hi, Lily. Want to see my room? Yes! We'll have so much fun. Best friends?
This feels nice.
Very nice.
No phones tonight. Agreed.
We almost lost everything.
But we learned.
Family comes first.
Always.
This is all I ever wanted.
A family together. A family that listens. We love you, Dad.